this week we are back with another video. Today we are going to be blacksmithing a stand for my furnace's gas line. For context, I put a new valve on my furnace and that valve is heavy and it causes my gas line to fold over and pinch itself. So we're going to make a nice stand out of rebar to keep that from happening. I think that went pretty well. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple, short project. Now I've got a stand to hold up my gas line and I don't have to worry about it while I'm making my next project. Okay, that's all I have for you this week. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please consider leaving a like and subscribing if you did. And I will see you next week. Bye!